Summer is
Hi
golden.
guys, Jessica Norman. This is Summer Golden.
Let it snow. How about that, boo boo? Let it snow. Oh. What you whining for, boo boo? It's cold, I know, but we going home. Come on, let's go. All right, Zioneers. I know y'all can't see it because it ain't even like sticking on the windshield, but it's snowing in Augusta. We were supposed to have some last week, but it ended up in Atlanta. I think we're going to get maybe an inch or two today. It's looking that way. I was able to stay here all day without asking to get off early because of the roads. I feel like I'm forgetting something, but I am the keys. They'll be all right. I'll hang on to them. And we're going to go home and finish up. Well, I guess I can't. Here's something I can finish. I might start on my taxes. Start working on that passport. I really need to get that taken care of. It's too late. But who knows how late too late is now? Since Donald Trump wants to get rid of us all. Anyway, just thought I'd check in and say hey to you Zioneers. And let you catch part of this commute. I know you're tired. I'm gonna come up with something interesting for us to do. As soon as I can get a couple days off here, look at this bridge. It's definitely holding full. But anyway, I'm not gonna run my mouth all the way home. Let's just consider that. All right, Zioneers, thanks for stopping in, and we'll see you guys on the other side. Come over here. Christmas holiday. It's another
has the city of Augusta hoping for the best, but preparing for the worst. They want to be safe here. News Channel 6's senior reporter George Escala live off Bobby Jones Expressway tonight. George, how's it looking and feeling out there?
Well, Brad, a cold, light rain going on right now, but behind me, Bobby Jones traffic looks to be moving along normally. You know, winter weather doesn't happen around here very often, but when it's forecasted, it's greeted with a combination of glee and concern. It did not look like a winter wonderland in downtown Augusta this afternoon, but the reports are it could be on the way.
It don't make me excited because it never happens. But I want some snow now. I want some snow.
You don't expect it, though.
I don't expect it.
But the city expecting the worst, but hoping for the best. Public works crews out early in the day, putting salt on more than 4 dozen bridges and culverts across Augusta.
We now have a state of emergency issued for the approaching winter storm. Snow and ice expected in North Georgia and Metro Atlanta by tomorrow morning. Many schools and government offices have already closed ahead of that storm.
Bridges and culverts tend to freeze first in bad weather, and the salt serves as a de-icer. City engineers saying it's standard operating procedure this time of year.
We already have a plan, which we do, each time we hit weather like this, or even during winter, we always expect something when it happens.
Travel on slick roads is usually the first hazard when there's winter weather. So a word to the wise from Augusta's Emergency Management Office.
I would just say make sure that you're staying off the roads if we do have ice. Stay home.
There is not putting in some overtime to hit any potential trouble spots on the roads should they pop up. Reporting live in Augusta, George Escala, back to you.
Yeah, we haven't gotten any. What's up, Pioneers? We're on our way in. We don't even know why. Nobody called us. We didn't call anybody. It's just, you know, gotta try to be vigilant. It's just, most of it will blow off as we travel down the road. Come on out. Let's go, mama. Come on, jump up. Don't make me pick you up, mama. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this door now. Get out of here. My lesson. I've had to stop at one light so far. Austin already told me to go home, and I'm going to try to put my gloves and everything. I want my gloves. But when I stop on this hill, it's going to be hard to restart. I hate that. Come on, light. I think I might just go home. If you got trucks getting stuff, that means it's gonna be like this all day. And as the sun goes down, and I already been told I ain't gotta come in. What am I doing? Go home. Just money. Yeah, because there's a bigger hill right on up there that I gotta go. Past the fire, I'm gonna get stuck on that one. And then the one I turn off was even bigger. I'm gonna get stuck on that one. Goes down the highway. Yeah, it's not like I have to be there. It really isn't. But for some reason, I've gotten this far, I swear. I've gotten this far because I want my gloves. If that's not gluten, you tell me what it is. Now I gotta go back down this hill and hope this light don't change. But I don't want to be stuck there. There's a lot of hills up there that I'm gonna have to encounter when I get up there. And I don't really need to. I'm gonna have to get right back in the house. I can start my taxes. I can do all sorts of things that I can't do at work. It's pretty shameful that we have to be engineered this way in society, willing to risk our livelihoods and our lives, our health, for $100, which won't buy a quarter of the stuff it bought 8 years ago. Now that But any hooligan, I'm gonna go back home because I can. If I couldn't, then, you know, that'd be another story. That's not the story today. The story today is I'm just gonna lose that little money. It is what it is. Let me get through this light. Now, let me see. This is a tough road to navigate also. And it's the easiest way home. I'm gonna go back. Yeah, we made that one. Now, this hill right here is probably the toughest one. We got the traction here. Let's take that.
Your favorite AM FM stations locally and nationwide for free. But iHeartRadio also has a team of people who are as passionate about music as you. Working around the clock. The hand-carried playlist perfect for any mood or activity. We know the right soundtrack can help set the mood, change your mood, or enhance.
I know that it's dangerous out here. I do know that. But I also know I really wanted to go in.
You can listen to all our playlists for free.
Despite the fact that there's not a whole lot to even do there. And that I probably would want to leave just after arriving. But my gloves are there. And I can't say they'll be there tomorrow because I can't remember where I left them. I think they're at the front desk. But it's just 150 bucks. We'll make it up. I might even do a kitchen or a bathroom here pretty soon. I'm waiting to contact Lost. I'm gonna get back with her. Got any houses this morning. I need the money. This is a tough road. Pretty hard to select. Bro, you could have waited till this melted to do that. Yeah, it's just, you know, the more I drive around, the more I realize we shouldn't do that. Because it's not me. Somebody else is probably going to run into it. But they can't drive. Once we get out there, it's a lot busier. And like I say, there's nothing to really do at work today other than what gets fished out of my boss's behind. And she'll come up with a few things. Yeah, though, she'd probably say go outside and pick stuff off the parking lot. So I'm not going to. But hey, I got an opportunity to start inside. It's not, the temperature is not expected to go above 35. So it's going to be right above freezing on there. So as soon as the sun goes down, the ice is going to freeze on the road again. And, you know, we don't really have a lot of options. It's artificial. So I'm going to go back to Reset, and we'll decide.
Working less, and we decided that I would buy their house from them and let them live there until they pass or move into assisted living. I make enough to do this. Buying their house would be a good investment. All of my siblings are on board, except for our oldest sister, who thinks I'm trying to take over my parents' lives. I think
I should have hooked up the heater. Maybe I should take it inside, work on it since I'm off. Yeah, let's do that. Anyway, we can light it at night. Come back out here a little bit later as it warms. and because I haven't been running the heater, and my batteries are suffering from this cold. So we'll get the door open.
She don't want you to have no power.
So listen to Steve Harvey a little bit before I go in.
Take the pressure off your mom and dad.
Mr. Harmon.
Yeah, but you sound like you gonna put the ass in the system living anyway. That's how you sound to me.
All right. All right, pull that door.
Till they pay us, or they go to the system. Which one? She gonna let one of them have
We'll have more of the Steve Harvey Morning Show coming up at 20 minutes after, right after this. You're listening to the Steve Harvey Morning Show.
We're going back inside and get warm. Let's take the Zioneers in with us. And I don't remember a time when I felt this much despair for not doing the work. How about you, Al? You hear the kitty? Kitty want to come in. She won't come in the door though. I'd let her in. She just won't come in. She's more than welcome. It's too cold to be outside, if you ask me. Am I gonna be able to open this door? With this box sitting here? Just barely. All right, I'm gonna turn off the lights in here and just turn on the external power and hook the cables back up. Okay. You want to get out, Al? Ooh, get that out of the snow. You want to get out, baby? Or would you rather me carry you in? Oh, Lord. Mm-hmm. Well, the city of Zion has not been this cold in a long time.
I don't want to go to work today. I'd rather stay home and play video games. I wanna chill, but I gotta get up. Gotta get up.
It's real high and heavy, but it's not a real negative one today. It's kind of like ho-hum, and I wish I could do better kind of thing. But hey, we're all getting older every day. Nobody wants to spend eternity alone. Like Drake also said, his mom says nobody wants to be 70 and alone. And we're pushing it. We're pushing it every day. I'm pushing it hard. So I'm gonna spend some time over the next year and maybe date again. I think that might be a good idea. Date again. But we're gonna get out of this coat and everything and sit down. We're gonna work on the heater probably. I might let you guys come watch it. I might work on my taxes today. I don't know. But thanks for stopping by, saying hello to us, despite the fact that we're rambling like a mad woman. Thank you guys. It's been great. Yeah. All right, Zioneers, I'm gonna let y'all go. I guess next time I probably better write something down. I should try to find my diary. Yeah, because those long videos, they're hard to upload. Yeah, I usually don't. I've been talking for 20 minutes already, and I haven't said anything. And I apologize for that, folks. That's my life. This dog's on TV over here. It has a little timer on it. At 8:29, it goes off, so I go out the door. And I come back home. It's 9-something. I didn't quite make it to work, and the TV's back on. So I'm like, what is this thing doing? It's got a mind of its own. What are we talking about? Yeah, freeing up that time and stuff, and I had time on my hands, so much time on my hands, and back then I was engaging in my hands, my handwork, passion. But in terms of just true relaxation, learning the instruments that I always wanted to learn, piano, guitar, drumming, and so forth. I want to get some more free time again and stick my head back in, because I believe that I could have probably picked it up, and maybe I missed out on that. I also wanted to sing, although I can't sing, but I mean, in this day and age with all this equipment, anybody can sing. All you need is an auto-tune, right? I want to make some good music, something that even on my deathbed I can have them play for me, because I love music like that. I don't need a funeral. I need a party when I go. And please, we need more than one DJ. Just don't bring any crap music. Like Drake's uncle said, only real music's going to last. All the other, here today, gone tomorrow. So, hey, maybe I'll chop this thing up and come back and share something valuable since we're at home today in another video. But if not, this was just Alice and I trying to get to work and taking this opportunity to stop in and say hi to y'all, because many of you said that you would like to see something like that. So I thought it was kind of a waste of your time. That's why I never did it. I hate to ramble. I hate to just be rambling and forcing somebody to sit there and listen to it, But yeah, I forgot what this conversation was even about. But I do know that I got a lot of anxiety today.
Lamar Jackson and said, in the DMV, I want our fans to be as excited about me as they are about Lamar. Watching his progression, you got the context. It's not just what he's doing on the field. It is this particular franchise that has been mired in dysfunction, literal dysfunction, cesspool of a place for him to come in as a rookie to understand what this whole organization, this fan base has been through, and it has resurrected with a new ownership, new head coach, new GM. It is not just winning games based on managing.
I also have
Superman every single
Chiefs,
so for him
Commanders,
to do it,
Super Bowl.
that to me in this organization is way bigger.
Go figure.
Let's get strong. I'm gonna go Bills. I love what you said, Kimberly. I'm gonna go Bills for this because it's the Bills organization going through Patrick Mahomes.
How you get
I'm not gonna try and make an NFC prediction.
Now you're talking about putting someone else.
The only reason I make
being Josh
an
Allen
AFC,
with Mahomes.
prediction, of course you guys know I'm a Chief fan, diehard, born and raised.
You made the playoffs. That's when it really matters. So
and
goes through.
I'm gonna always try and pick them. So,
and then goes through Mahomes.
but I love the young kid, Jaden Daniels from
My answer
Florida.
is I think it's a bigger deal for the Bills over the
Florida
Commanders.
State.
I think it's a bigger deal Jaden
Florida.
Daniels over everybody
Yeah.
else. Team
Didn't win national championship, but
Jaden Daniels.
awesome quarterback. Proved to be the hottest rookie in the history of the game. Remember when we were kids and, we get a snow day or whatever, and we'd be happy to get the sleds and run outside, slide down the hills. But this is a strange feeling. I've been sitting here for almost 2 hours.
It would be kind of incredible
And I feel guilty for not going to work. Like, you should try it harder or something. It's so funny to me. But it's not funny because it's a real anxiety issue.
Can I tell y'all what would be
I just thought I'd share that with you guys. Strange. But anyway, we had pistachio cake this weekend.
Why are we even putting that in the
And
atmosphere?
we're having for breakfast. We're gonna take it to work. Al doesn't eat cake, but I do.
wishing it. I'm simply saying.
And,
Y'all don't want to listen? Y'all want to listen? That's what we doing? That's what we doing?
Pudding
That's what we
cake.
doing? I'm saying to you, you lose 4 straight Super Bowls, and you finally get back, and then you lose again, and this ain't Jim Kelly and
Oh, yeah.
Now it's Josh Allen.
Gotta get a new
and you
cup of
lose
coffee.
that.
Okay, one step at a time. They gotta be Kansas.
Okay, I'm just saying.
That's delicious.
They the Chiefs and lose to Washington.
Why are you smiling?
Let me turn them off.
The Bills are going to won the championship.
Yeah, everybody loves a good sports show, right? Right? Yeah. Yeah, football, basketball. I even watch tennis sometimes, especially when The Williams sisters are playing. Well, they're both retired now, so I thought they have family members who are playing. I like Coco Gauff. Yeah, I enjoy sports. Yeah, that's what you'll find me probably watching mostly is our sports, science programming, or YouTube, I guess. You know, go figure. I guess I'm gonna edit this out anyway because I don't have anything to really share with you guys. Just wanted to check in and let you know that we're still home on the snow day, and we haven't done anything yet. We haven't started any taxes. We haven't even fixed the heater. I need to get that line work. I wanted the line to warm up. So we'll probably go out there about 2 to hook that line up. I'm thinking because it's gonna be kind of cold, and I don't want my equipment to freeze. But perhaps we'll come back later and say good day. Otherwise, we'll see you guys later on in the week. And thanks for stopping by. And we'll talk soon. Summer's golden, guys.
Gotta get up, get up. I don't wanna go to work today. I'd rather stay home and play video games. I'd rather chill for real. I don't know how you feel, but sometimes I feel like I'm working for nothing, trying to get something. Everywhere I turn is a bill. Steady now, swim the river, climb the hill. Complacency, you ain't gon' get me, no, 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 no. Cause I gotta get up. I gotta get up. I gotta I don't wanna go to work today. I'd rather stay home and play video games. I'd rather chill for real. I don't know how you feel, but sometimes I feel like I'm working for nothing, trying to get something. Everywhere I turn is a bill. Steady now, swim the river, climb the hill. Complacency, you ain't gon' get me, no, 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 no. Cause I gotta get up. I gotta get up. Get up. I gotta get up. I gotta get up. Get up. I'd rather be in my space. I'd rather chill in a place. Imagine go out and play all day. I'd rather chill at home. I'd rather lay alone with you, but I got to work. I don't wanna go play today, but what can I say? Bills to pay. I just can't get comfortable doing nothing. get up.